Older homes in Mandeville often carry timeless charm, from detailed trim work to spacious living rooms and classic architectural lines. Bay windows are a common feature in many of these properties, adding depth, character, and natural light. However, as homes age, original bay windows can begin to show signs of wear, inefficiency, and structural concerns. If your older Mandeville home has drafty, damaged, or outdated bay windows, replacement solutions can restore beauty while dramatically improving comfort and performance. Signs it's time to replace an older bay window. Over time, aging bay windows may develop issues such as drafts and air leaks, condensation between glass panes, rot or moisture damage, warped or deteriorating frames, rising energy bills. In Mandeville's warm, humid climate, moisture exposure can accelerate frame deterioration, especially in older wood windows. Replacing aging bay windows not only improves aesthetics but also protects your home's structure. Preserving architectural character. One concern many homeowners have when replacing bay windows in older homes is maintaining architectural integrity. The goal isn't to modernize the look beyond recognition, it's to enhance performance while preserving character. Today's bay window replacement options offer customizable features, including matching grid patterns, wood grain finishes, traditional trim styles, exterior colors that complement existing siding or brick. With the right design choices, your new bay window can look original to the home while offering modern benefits. Energy-efficient glass for southern comfort. Older bay windows often feature single-pane glass or outdated glazing technology. This allows significant heat transfer, especially in Mandeville's warm and humid environment. Modern replacement bay windows typically include double or triple pane insulated glass, argon gas fills between panes, low emissivity coatings. These features reduce solar heat gain while still allowing natural light to fill your living space. Improved insulation keeps cooled air inside during hot months, helping lower energy bills and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Moisture-resistant frame materials. Humidity is a major factor in southern Louisiana. Older wood frames can absorb moisture, leading to swelling, cracking, or rot over time. Replacement options now include durable materials such as vinyl and fiberglass. These materials resist moisture damage, require minimal maintenance, and provide strong structural support. For older Mandeville homes, choosing a weather-resistant frame ensures long-term durability without sacrificing style. Structural support and proper installation. Bay windows extend outward from your home's exterior wall, meaning they require strong structural support. In older homes, underlying framing may need reinforcement before installing a new unit. Professional installers carefully assess the opening, make necessary adjustments, and ensure the new bay window is properly supported and sealed. This prevents sagging, air leaks, and water intrusion. In Mandeville's climate, correct flashing and sealing are especially important for protecting against heavy rains. Enhancing interior functionality. Replacing an outdated bay window is also an opportunity to upgrade functionality. Many homeowners choose to add built-in seating, additional storage beneath the window, wider interior sills for decor or plants. These updates improve both usability and visual appeal while maintaining the traditional charm of your older home. Increasing home value and comfort. A new bay window improves curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. For homeowners planning to stay long-term, it enhances daily living. For those considering resale, it adds value and modern performance features that buyers appreciate. A thoughtful upgrade for Mandeville homes. Bay window replacement in older Mandeville homes is about blending preservation with progress. By choosing energy-efficient glass, moisture-resistant frames, and professional installation, you can maintain your home's historic character while upgrading performance. The result is a beautiful, functional bay window that honors your home's past, while preparing it for many comfortable years ahead.